Quiet, musical hog. Knock it off.
Oh, Bullseye. I miss Woody, too. But he ain't ever coming back.
Rise and shine, campers.
Commander Alonso, sir! All quiet, nothing to report.
Excellent, Lightyear. Come on, we need you back at Star Command.
Wait! What have you done with my husband?
Big baby.
Sweetheart!
Oh, it was cold and dark. Nothing but sand and a couple of Lincoln logs.
I don't think those were Lincoln logs.
You all get ready. You got a play date with destiny.